Welcome to the Disney Wish, Disney's princess themed cruise ship, much bigger than the Fantasy or the Dream, which we have sailed on in the past. This ship is a princess themed, so each room you stay in will have a different princess or princesses that they theme it with. So this particular room is Frozen. The big glares from the mirror across the way, the lighting. But this is an interior room, has an adjoining room next to it, which is nice for large families. Queen bed, American outlets on one end, again with the Frozen theme, and European outlets on the other. Of course, each room has their own TV. Vanity for getting ready for each and every day, dinner, shows. But the Wish only has 3 and 4 night sailings. So as far as storage goes, it's pretty standard for a cruise ship. You don't need all the space in the world for such a short sailing. Of course, they all come standard with their own safe. All your valuables be locked away. They also all come with a little cabinet cooler. I've been on many cruise ships, and I will say this about their bathrooms. I am 6 feet 1 inch tall, and I can fit into their showers. Now this particular cruise ship has a shower tub combo, so that's kind of nice. If you have young kids, you can give them a bath. All their towels, the Disney logo. Of course, you have your commode, trash, tissues, standard sink, and mirror. Interior rooms are for people who really just need to get on the ship and have a good time. As we walk to the entrance here, or exit, we have our adjoining room, and a last little piece of artwork before you leave by Olaf.